Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Assistant Professor in Department of IT in Biyani Group of College. Today I deliver a video lecture on register storage class. In the previous lecture, we have already discussed about automatic storage class. Now we are going to discuss register storage class. There are following features of register storage class. It stores in CPU registers. The default value of register variables will be garbage value, that is undefined value. Scope local to the block in which variable is defined. So register variables scope inside a local to the particular block. And last key feature, life till the control remains within the block in which variable is defined. These are four primary features of register storage class. Now we are taking example of register storage class. In this given example, I is integer type variable which is declared as register storage class. So keyword register will be used here. Here we are using for loop I assignment 1, I is less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. So initial value of I is 1. This variable will be stored in CPU register. So definitely it will access very fastly. Here we are printing value of I. Now it print value 1. Then I plus plus value of I will be 2. 2 less than 10 condition will be true. Again control enter inside a for loop and it print value 2. Again I plus plus, so value of I will be 3 here. 3 less than 10 condition is satisfied once again. So it print value 3. Similarly, so it print value 10. When I will be 11 less than or equal to 10 condition will be false. So control goes outside the loop. So finally it print value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. So primary advantage of such variable is faster access from memory. A value stored in a CPU register can always access faster than that the one that is stored in memory. Normal to variable which is stored in memory, such kind of variable will be accessed faster. Therefore, if a variable is used at many places in a program, it is better to declare its storage class as register. So in case of for loop, while loop, do while loop or variable which are using frequently, we are always use register storage classes. Now we are going to discuss some limitations of register storage class. Now we discuss some limitations of register storage class. First limitation, even though we have declared the storage class of any variable register, we cannot say for sure that the value of variable would be stored in register. So there is no such kind of guarantee value of a variable will be stored in register. This is because the number of CPU registers are always limited and they may be busy doing some other task. In this case, the variable will work just like a automatic storage class. Second limitation, if microprocessor has 16-bit registers, then they cannot hold value of float or double kind variable. That is, it cannot hold 4 bytes or 8 bytes. Generally, it is used for very limited kinds of data. So it is a good choice. We can use register variables for integer and small data types. Thank you for watching our video lecture. Please like, comments and subscribe our YouTube channel gurukpo.com. Thank you.